Hello, friends. How are you today? Good? I'm great. Thank you. Today, we're going to learn all about me or all about you. There are many different people in the world. Many different. And each one of them is unique. Yes, you are unique, I am unique, and we are unique. And there is some information we can give to people when we're talking about ourselves. Let's see some of them, okay? First thing, it's our name. And to find out our name or to find out other people's name, we always ask, what's your name? So let's ask him his name. We say, what's your name? And he'll answer, my name is Richard. His name is Richard. Hi. What's your name? You can repeat after me. What's your name? My name is Catherine. Her name is Catherine. That's Richard, remember. There's something else we can ask Richard. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? That's the shorten for your name. My nickname is Rick. So his name is Richard, but you can call him Rick. It's a shorten for his name. Now let's ask Catherine her nickname. Remember how we say? What's your nickname? My nickname is Kathy. So her nickname is Kathy. And to find out people's age, we ask, how old are you? How old are you? I'm 6 years old, says Richard or Rick. I'm 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Now that's Kathy, remember? How old are you? Can you repeat now? How old are you? I am 7 years old, says Kathy. So Kathy is 7 years old. Now you can ask me. Remember, you want to know my name, so you say, what's your name? And I'm going to answer you. My name is Joanna. My name is Joanna. Now you're going to ask my nickname. Remember the other way you can call me, the shorten for my name. What's your nickname? Very good. Can you repeat? Very well. So I'll say, my nickname is Joe. My nickname is Joe. And now you want to know my age. So you have to ask, take a look. How old are you? Very good. How old are you? And I'm going to answer you. I am 45 years old. Now it's my turn to ask you. And you have to answer, What's your name? What is your name? And then you have to answer. Remember how you answer? Let me see. Very good. You say, my name is... Now you say it. Very well. My name is... Good job. Now I'm going to ask you, what is your nickname? What is your nickname? And you say, my nickname is... Maybe you don't have a nickname. That's fine. My nickname is... Good job. Now I want to know your age. So I'm going to ask you, how old are you? How old are you? Very well. You did it well. You say, I am years old. Maybe you're 6, 7, 10, 12, 4. I don't know. You tell me, how old are you? Very well. Good job. In today's class, we've seen some information we can give people when we're talking about ourselves, our names, our nicknames, and our age. Now you know how to ask and how to answer those questions. I hope to see you in our next class. Bye bye.